Hi guys, this is Aditya Agarwal and today I have brought to you some of the exclusive questions which were asked today in the JEE Main 26th August Shift 1 paper held in the morning session, and I am going to do some of the mathematics questions and we will be analyzing together, and I will present you some of the easy and some of the very trivial solutions that can be adopted by the students in order to score good marks in mathematics section especially. So here is the first question from matrix I am going to present. So let us have a look at the question asked from matrix chapter, and it was a very interesting question. I like this question, though I have not studied. I am going to solve for the first time with you all. Okay, so here it is given that A and B, they are two square matrices. They are two square matrices of order 2 by 2. What is the order? 2 by 2. Okay, the matrix is also given. The matrix is minus 1 0 0 1. Okay, that's fine, absolutely. B matrix is given as 1 0 iota 1. Okay, so a complex argument is included in this matrix. As you all know, iota is root negative 1. Okay, so it is given that A transpose B raised to the power 2021 into A equals Q, and we are asked to find the value of AQ into A transpose. Okay, well, interesting question. This is one of a very interesting question. I love this question. Okay, so we are asked to find the value of this AQ A transpose. Yeah, okay, see, now how can we analyze this question? First of all, we need to check if it is a orthogonal matrix. We need to check if A is an orthogonal matrix. How do we check? We know that for an orthogonal matrix, A into A transpose equals I, identity matrix. Okay, so let us do the transpose of A and then multiply A with A transpose to find if it is identity matrix, then A will be the orthogonal matrix. Okay, so let us have a look at the A transpose. A transpose is minus 1 0 0 1, right? Now multiply A with A transpose, we get minus 1 0 0 1 multiplying with minus 1 0 0 1. Oh, it's identical. It's strange. Okay, it comes out to be 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. Alas, it's alas, we have got the identity matrix. What we were expecting from this question, that this matrix could be the orthogonal matrix, and it has come to be. That is, from our finding here, we can conclude since A into A transpose equals I, therefore A is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix, fine. Okay, now let me erase some of its portion. Let me erase this heading so that we can continue the rest part of the question, right? Okay, fine. Now we have to find A. What do you have to find? Let me recall. I think it was AQ into A transpose. Right. Yes. This was AQ A transpose. Okay. Since we are given this equation, notice this equation in a very keen manner, very carefully. Now, how can we get AQA transpose in this equation? By doing some sort of multiplication in this given equation itself. So what can we do? We can multiply this whole equation on the right of its side by A transpose. Okay, so by multiplying this equation by A transpose, what we get, see, I am multiplying this equation. Let us give this equation as number 1. I am multiplying this given equation with A transpose in its right hand side. A into A transpose. This will come out to be Q into A transpose. Right? What is our aim? Right here, our aim. Our aim is to find AQA transpose. Keep this aim in mind. We have to ultimately find this matrix. What will be this matrix? Okay. So we have got this much. Okay, what will it be? Since A is orthogonal matrix, it's become easy. It is going to be identity matrix. So what we are going to get? A transpose B raised to power 2021 equal Q into my A transpose. Now, whatever target is to get AQA transpose. How can we get AQA transpose? By pre-multiplying both the sides with the matrix A. Okay, so let me erase this part so that I can continue the rest part of the question and get to the solution. Let us not remove the B part, okay? It's crucial. Pre-multiplying this equation by A gives me A transpose B raised to 2021 equals AQA transpose. What is this going to be? Simple I matrix. So what we are getting? B raised to 2021 equal AQA transpose. So what is our goal? Now we have to just find B raised to the power 2021. What will be its value? What is B? B has 1 0 iota 1. Just simply multiply it by B square, get B square, B cube, see the relation, and let us see what will be B raised to the power 2021. So we need to find some analogy between its powers. Okay. So what is our ultimate aim now? What is our ultimate aim now? We have to find ultimately B raised to 2021. That's it. Our question is over. Okay. So now finding B square. Finding B square 1 0 iota 1. What will it be? Tell me guys. Tell me quick. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 2 iota. This is going to be 1. Simple. Is it clear? Now finding B cube. If we find B cube 1 0 2 iota 1 and 1 0 iota 1, right? So what we are going to get by solving this B cube? We are going to get 1, simple 0, simple 3 iota, and simply it is 1. See the clear relation. What we can find, that what is the general power of this matrix B? So in a general form we can write, see here it is, the only change is in this term. What is this term? A21, or we can say that let this matrix be somewhat A. Okay, let B square be A matrix I J. Okay, so this term is A21, this term is A21 all. Okay, so here you can see that only this term is changing, this element of this matrix is changing, rest part is same, and it is forming an AP, iota 2 iota 3 iota. So B raised to power n in general will be 1 0 2 0 2 1 iota and 1. B raised to 2, oh sorry, let me write in the form of general. Okay, we were writing the general form, so it will be what? N iota. And what we had to find? We had to find B raised to the power 2021, because this is equal to AQA transpose. So B raised to power 2021, how much it will be? It will be 1 0 2 0 2 1 iota. Oh, this is not factorial, this is iota. So this is our answer. Let me write it in a, okay, I think it's clear. The answer of AQA transpose is 1 0 2 0 2 1 iota and 1. So the correct answer is second option, this one. This is the answer for this question.